If you're having a Grammarly login problem, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. Whether you signed up with Google, Apple, Facebook, or a regular email and password, the issue is usually something simple, and in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's go ahead and fix the Grammarly login problem. First, check your login method. This is one of the most common mistakes people make. If you originally created your Grammarly account using Google, then you need to sign in with the Google button. If you used Apple, then tap the Apple sign-in option. And if you used Facebook, use that exact button as well. A lot of people try typing in a password manually even though their account was created through a connected login method, and that can cause confusion or make it seem like the account isn't working. So before anything else, match the login method you used when you first signed up. If you're not sure which method you used, take a moment to think back to when you created the account. Did Grammarly redirect you to another service like Google or Apple? If so, use that same option now. This simple step solves the problem for many users right away. Next, if you forgot your password or you're unsure about your sign-in details, use the account recovery option. Look for something like "can't sign in" or "recover my account." When you click it, Grammarly should send a password reset link or recovery instructions to the email address connected to your account. Open your inbox and check for that email carefully. If you don't see it, also check your spam, promotions, or junk folder because sometimes recovery messages end up there. Once you find the email, follow the reset link and create a new password. After that, go back to Grammarly and try signing in again with the updated details. If you used the social login method before, you may not need a password at all. So again, make sure you're choosing the right login path. If the login problem is still happening, the next thing to try is Incognito mode or a private browser window. This is a great way to rule out browser issues. Sometimes saved cookies, cached data, or extensions can interfere with the sign-in process and cause the page to load incorrectly or fail during authentication. Opening Grammarly in an incognito window gives you a clean session with no stored browser data, which can help reveal whether the problem is in your browser rather than your account. To do this, open a new incognito window in Chrome or a private window in your browser of choice, then go to Grammarly and try logging in again. If it works in incognito mode, then the issue is probably caused by browser cache, cookies, or an extension. In that case, you can clear your browser data or disable extensions one by one until the login works normally again. Now let's check your connections. VPNs, proxies, and ad blockers can sometimes interfere with authentication servers and stop Grammarly from signing you in properly. If you have a VPN active, turn it off temporarily and try again. If you use a proxy connection, disable that as well. You should also pause any ad blocking or privacy extensions because some of them can accidentally block important login scripts or security checks. After turning those off, refresh Grammarly and try the login process again. If it suddenly works, then one of those tools was the cause. At that point, you can leave the problematic extension disabled for Grammarly or create an exception so it doesn't interfere in the future. The final thing you should check is whether Grammarly itself is having a temporary outage. Sometimes the login problem isn't on your side at all. Visit Grammarly's status page and see whether their servers are experiencing downtime, interruptions, or maintenance. If there's an outage, your best option is simply to wait until Grammarly resolves it. In that case, your account is fine, and the login issue should go away once the service is back online. So to recap, first, verify that you're using the correct login method. Second, reset your password if needed. Third, test Grammarly in incognito mode. Fourth, disable VPNs, proxies, and ad blockers. And fifth, check the Grammarly status page for outages. Following these steps in order will solve most Grammarly login problems quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.